Hello, this is Jeanette K Caines from Jewelry Arts Inc., also known as Dr. Goldsmith. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do when your fine silver chain inexplicably oxidizes. That's not a thing, is it? Well, it can be, and I'll show you how to fix it. So I just want to show this off. Look at this beautiful chain. But you might say to yourself, oh, is that sterling silver? No, it's fine silver. Now, everybody thinks that fine silver doesn't oxidize. And although that's technically true, especially if you live in a city, there's sulfur in the air. And so fine silver that's left sitting around will get kind of yellowy brown, and you might be like, oh, fuck, it's oxidizing. So although that's not technically true, you know, you may just look at it and be like, oh no. So like Eve heated this up and put it in a pickle, and it's like this gross color, and she was super bummed out. And I'm like, don't worry. The pickle doesn't help. Only the heat helps. And that's why it looks probably even worse than when you started. I'm sorry. It's totally fine. So all I'm going to do is heat it up, and it will burn that off, because oxidation is something you put in the pickle and it removes it. The sulfur that builds up on fine silver, the pickle doesn't do shit. That's the technical term. It doesn't do shit. But all you have to do is heat it. And this is, you know, coincidentally, this is like what happens a lot, and what confuses people when they have, like, you know, metal in your studio and they're like, is this fine or is it sterling? And they might say, oh, well, it got dark, so it must be sterling. It's not always the case. And we won't do it to this because we happen to know what this is. But normally what I would do, I would cut a tiny little piece off with a link or whatever and melt it completely. And that would tell me whether it's sterling. It would turn gray. Fine silver would just get white and shine. So like, let's say you have a coil of wire at home and it's all dark. It doesn't necessarily prove that it's sterling. So I usually just cut a little piece and melt it. But in this case, we know what it is. But all I'm going to do is heat the shit out of it. Gently and lovingly and carefully, but... You see what I mean? It'll just start to burn away. And it can be very confusing for people, because then they're like, wait, what is my metal? You know what I'm saying? But you see what I mean? Just heat it with a torch. It's going to take a little bit, you know what I mean, to burn it all away, but it will burn off with the torch. So, but yeah, you put it in a pickle and it almost turns more gray and weird. And then you're just like, what is happening? So just burn it off with the torch. That's all you have to do. Okay, I'll let Eve do the rest. But so super simple, but can be confusing. So here's just a little close up so you see what I mean. There's the area that I heated. It cleans up right away, and then further and further away from where I heated. But yeah, that's all it takes. You just heat it with a torch. It's easy to deal with, but like I said, can be quite confusing.